This card is called the Houdini. Open the deck of cards. Rodeo cards this time. Get 2 jokers out. And I want you to pick a card. Any card. That card? Okay. You found the card. I'm going to shuffle it into the deck so it gets good and lost and in the center. Okay. Next, square up the deck. I'm going to take this rubber band. I'm going to put it around all the deck, the whole deck. Next, I take a section of the cards out. I flip them. Put them on the bottom of the deck, just like that. Shake them. Snap. And 1 card pops out. King of Clubs. Is that your card?
Yes.
Okay. How to do this. You start with just a normal deck. You can shuffle it. Then you ask your spectator to pick a card.
Okay, so we've got the Ace of Spades.
Nothing. You stick it there. You really don't look, like I said. And then you riffle shuffle it to the bottom. Riffle shuffle is a regular shuffle. I'll show you how to do it. To put it on the bottom, you start putting some cards down. Then you put some other cards down so they're good and at the bottom. You can do the bridge if you want. And make sure not to show them with the cards in the bottom. It really is. Now here's the hard part, taking a pinky break. You have to pinky break the bottom card. A pinky break is just take your pinky, basically you put a little like that over it. And you take your rubber band and put it around every card through that pinky break, every card except for their card, and you say it's around all cards. See? Don't show them that. Next you take off a small portion, about half, put it to the side like that, flip it, and put it on the bottom. Square up the deck so it doesn't look like there's just, you shake it, snap, whatever. You throw it, and their card pops up. That's it.